Hi children, welcome to math class. Okay, in the last class we started with the topic measurements. Okay, we'll continue now. See what is called as hand span. See, this is called as hand span. See, this way. And this is called as foot span. This is called as foot span. And this is called as cubit. Here. One mala. This is called as cubit. This way. Okay, here. Lakshmi found that the garland is 1 cubit long. See, she found that the garland is 1 cubit long. So, Gauri found the garland is 2 hand span. See, she is measuring here. 1 hand span, this is 1 hand span, and again this is 2 hand span, like this. Okay, 2 hand span. Ramu found that the stick is 5 spans long. See, foot span. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way, see, foot spans. John measured the length of the television set using hand span. See, this is hand span. This is television is 5 times. See, 5 times hand span. 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. The length of the television is 5 hand span. So, Seema measured the length of a cot. See, bed children, cot. Using cubit. See, geno, not geno. This is mala, like what we will call one will measure flowers, garland with the help of mala. This is called as cubit. See, this is called as cubit. So, this is how much she measured it as 6 cubits. See, 1 cubit, 2 cubit, 3 cubits, 4 cubits and 6 cubits. Okay. Asha measured the length of a classroom using foot span. See, she measured the length of a classroom with the help of foot span. Okay, you all also measure children. From your classroom door, welcome door to the board, how much it is, foot span. Okay, whenever you go to the school, you measure it and you tell me. The length of the classroom is 18 foot spans. Next here. The length of a table in this picture is dash hand span. See how much it is, 1 hand span, 2 hand span, 3 and this is 4. So this is 4 hand span. The length of a pencil is equal to 3 cubits here. 1 cubit, 2 cubit, 3 cubit. Okay children. The length of a mat in the picture is dash. This is 10 foot span children here. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10 hand span. This garland is dash cubit long. This is 2 cubit long. See, this whenever you go to the school children, you try to do all these activities. Okay, or else you measure this with the help of at your home only children. If you don't go to school, okay, you can do at your home because now it is a corona, you can't go. So what you will do, instead of classroom, you take a measurement of your room, bedroom, hall. Okay. Next here. Lesson number 16. This is thick and thin. See, thick and thin. Okay. Tail of an elephant is thin. See here. Tail of an elephant is thin. Leg of an elephant is thick. See. You can see leg of an elephant here. See, leg of elephant is thick, whereas the tail is thin. Here, the rope is thick. See, you can see a rope is thick, whereas a thread is here. Thread to fly a kite, it is thin. This is thick, dappa, thin, tellage. Okay, color the thick ones. So, which is thicker one here? Circle here first. Okay, color it children, this one. This is a homework. And this is thick one in this. Soap, this was soap, the thicker one. And here this is candle is thick one. Circle the thin ones. So this is trunk is very thick here. This is thin. And this tree is very thick. So we have to circle thinner one, not thicker one. Okay. Okay, erase this tree. Okay, thin one is this one. This is a climber's children. This is a climber plant. Next here. Circle the thick object. So this is a sugar cane branch. So sugar cane branch, the thicker branch is this one. And this is a soap and this is a box. Which is a thicker one here? This box is thick. Next, tick the thick object. Still again they are asking thick. See, mat is a thin and this is bed is a thick one. So this is thick crayons, this is thin crayons. Here, heavy and light. See, the stone is heavy and the kerchief is light. See, wood. This wood is light. Here, this feather is light, whereas doll is heavy. Pumpkin is very heavy, children. We can't hold the pumpkin. Whereas the orange is very light. We can lift the orange. Next here. Dog is very heavy and a cat is very light. So light. So tick the heavier one. So dog is very heavy. Here. These are so much fruits here. Heavy. See, this is a small ball and this is a big ball. Which one is heavier? We can't lift. This is heavier. Thick book and this is a thin book. This is very heavy. Book is heavy. Circle the lighter object. See, this is a water bottle. It's very light. And this bucket is very heavy. So, light one. Circle light one. This is crayon box. It is very high. What is that? Here, heavy. Whereas this is very light. See? So, light one. Circle. So, mango is very light here. And this is lock and the key. So key is very light. Okay. You can compare all these objects at your home also, children. Take one stone and take a leaf and see which one is high, heavy, which one is light. You can compare all the objects. If you have doll, if you have pumpkin and any other fruit also, you can compare, children, with your at your home. Okay, children. So this completes your which chapter? Lesson number 16. What is lesson number 15? So lesson number 15 finished and this lesson number 16 weight also finished, children. So in the next class I'm going to start with the lesson number 17, that is time. It is also very less. Okay, children. So time will be the last topic. Okay, last lesson in your first standard textbook. Okay, and this data handling, it is not there, children, for your syllabus. This is data handling is not there for your syllabus. I'll show you. See, this data handling and these patterns are not there for your syllabus. And this addition, subtraction, sum not more than 20 and difference not more than 20. This 2 and this 2, it is not there for your syllabus. So time is the last topic, children, for you all. So time I will record and send. After that I will send all the revision sheets for you all, children. Okay, I'll send the sheets for you all. What you all will do, you all will take the printout and you all will practice, children. Okay, children, you all will practice. I'll send all the revision sheets for you all. All topics, based on topics, I'll send you all revision sheets. Take the printout and start practicing, children, for your annual exam. Okay, children, take care. Bye bye.